And I guess you've touched on it a bit there, the strength and the functionality of that part. But I guess were there other reasons, or could you just describe a bit of why you ultimately chose Markforged?
Yeah, so it was the ability to print fixtures that could actually withstand stuff that was happening on the shop floor. So as you say, we had additive manufacturing in the past, but sometimes those parts that came out were quite brittle, or they would fail if they were used continuously. We are looking for something that we could use for our development work, but could withstand a bit of force on the shop floor. And then, so we were looking at the technical polymer side of things, looking into nylons, looking into reinforced polymers, and then with the Markforged ability to reinforce it with the single fiber, that gives it, in our opinion, the edge over the other technologies.
Great.